Okay, wow, hold on, the lighting's really bad. Boom, better. Okay, well.
Oh yeah, guys.
Oh wait, give me the controller. Give me the controller. Okay, well, as you can see, guys, look right here. Look up there. 5,000 cowboys right there. 5,000 cowboys. So we are going just to be buying some rare supply drops.
Yeah, but
So let's get
guys, about my YouTube channel, Waffle Gaming, my other phone stopped working, so I had to get.
Look at the first thing of the day.
So I had to get a new phone, and my channel was deleted.
Yo, look at that, Dollar King.
So yeah, this is my new channel.
Okay, we've gotten some kind of good stuff here.
Oh yeah, we're doing an unboxing.
Oh, I see something. That sucks. Dude, we are just... Okay, this is doo-doo. This is complete doo-doo. But we're gonna have a lot of crypto keys after this. Ooh. Oh, yo, we're getting lucky on the gear. And some of the camos. Wait, that's not even a camo.
That's a gun.
I know. Let's see if it's a
Ooh, I like Swindler.
Swindler. Okay, we're 2,800. Yep, we don't have many more tries. Dude, we should have bought the higher one.
Well, I mean, I didn't want to waste all my money, so.
Dude, not so good. See, I told you we're not gonna get anything good because you're such a low level. Not gonna get any new weapons. We're gonna get some crap out of this. I told you. See, you're on a high enough level. I mean, we're getting some.
Oh yeah, guys, if I don't talk, I don't know if y'all want to hear this, but it's because I have this big ulcer in my mouth. So yeah, if I talk, it hurts. So, yeah.
Wait, all this stuff goes to you because you're a bot gamer, so I don't get any of this cool gear.
Last one.
No? We get crypto keys.
Oh. Do crypto keys give you anything better?
Ooh,
Firebrand is pretty
that's
cool.
a cool looking thing. Oh, we're all out. Oh, wait. We can do the common supply drop. This is gonna be doo-doo. No guns, because you're such a low level. Why are you such a low level?
This is just man.
Oh, look at this. I'm just putting... I'm just putting all you need. Cool looking gear. Hold on, let me custom games. No, you got your specialist stuff. Where is it? Okay, it's on the front line. Dude! Now we're not gonna be able to look at the other cool armor.